Hello all. In this video we are going to study about the construction of isometric view of a V block. Right? You might have seen V block in your basic engineering workshop. So basically V blocks are used for holding the workpieces or round shafts, etc. That's the purpose of a V block. So the problem is, construct the isometric view of a 50 into 50 into 25 V block with a 90 degree V at a depth of 15 mm. This is the question. You can see the question in your screen right now. Construct the isometric view of a 50 mm into 50 mm into 25 V block with a 90 degree V at a depth of 15 mm. So the first step is we have to construct the orthographic projection. So you can see the orthographic projection on the screen right now. See, this is the orthographic projection. So if we are keeping the V block like this, in the front view you can see the V, right? In the front view you can see the V, so that it is placed like this. So in the front view you can see the V. So the front V can be constructed first in the orthographic projection. So see, it is given that the dimension is 50 into 50. So this will be 50, this will be 50 with a 90 degree V at a depth of 15 mm. So from this point draw a line at a depth of or at a distance of 15 mm. We can obtain this point. From this point this V should be at an inclination of 90 degree. It is given that it is a 90 degree V. So how can we construct this 90 degree? We have located this point, draw a vertical line there. This will be 45 degree, this will be 45 degree. So first construct the 50 into 50 square, locate the midpoint, at a distance of 15 mm locate this point. At this point draw a line at an inclination of 45 degree like this, another 45 like this, so that this will be our 90 degree view. Clear? So this is the front view. From that we can project the top view. It is given that this is 25, 50 into 50 into 25, so this is 25. So from that portion we can complete this image, then project from here. This will be a line, project from here and project from here. This is the top view of the V block. So now we are going to construct the isometric view of this V block. Listen, draw a horizontal line. See, this is the front view. We know that the front view can be converted into isometric view as a 30 degree isometric x-axis and a vertical isometric z-axis, because this is lying in the xz plane. So at an inclination of 30 degree, draw the isometric x-axis, draw a vertical line for the isometric z-axis. Now take this distance, mark here, take this distance, mark here. So that is completed. Now we can locate this point, draw a vertical line, on that line we can obtain this point. So that is completed. Now what will be the next step? We can locate these 2 points. Take this distance. Okay. So the front view is completed in the isometric view. Now this is top view. We know that the top view is lying in the XY axial system. So we have to convert this into isometric x and isometric y. We know that isometric y is a line which is inclined at an angle 30 degree towards the left. So at an inclination of 30 degree here, draw the isometric y axis. On that y axis we can take this much distance and mark here, so that we can obtain a point like this. Then at every point draw line parallel to this one and locate this distance. So through this point, this point, this point and this point draw a line parallel to this 30 degree line, and on that point take this much distance, that is a distance of 20. We can take a 20 from this point also, so that it will come somewhere here. Somewhere here it will come. So that this is the corresponding isometric view of the V block. So first we have to construct the orthographic projection, and once we complete the orthographic projection, convert it into isometric view. So I hope all of you have understood this question. Thank you.